Come on. We gotta get to the next floor. The security room up there's our way out.
What were those things?
Synths. The Timekeeper's robot army. Good riddance.
Are you sure this is a prison? Getting more luxury hotel lobby vibes.
They're called the Order for a reason. They like things neat and under control. People, too. Everyone who lands on Cairo ends up here. The only... Check it out! Confiscated weapons chest! See if there's anything fun in there. Damn it! Lockdown's got us hemmed in. Echo 4, get hacked. Got an idea that'll buy us some time. We're gonna crack this prison wide open. Vault Hunter, wanna do the honors? Prison break, baby! Nice one! Doors open, let's go!
I will remind any and all rampant prisoners that he is watching. There is no escape. No one leaves.
The prisoners won't get far, but they'll distract the Order while we escape. Hell of a sight, huh? 6 years ago, that moon appeared from nowhere. The sky cracked open, shards fell like rain. We thought the world was ending. Guess it kinda did. The Timekeeper's been in full tyrant mode ever since.
What did you mean?
They're bolted, just like us. Won't be long before the Timekeeper walks them right back into their cells. We just need the Timekeeper looking their way, and not yours, until we can jam your bolt. We're almost out! Just fight through! This is it. We can exfil here. You're gonna need this. Good. Now, follow my lead, all right? We gotta slide down. Come on. Damn. Looks like we got separated. You good?
Rafa is always good. So, escape successful? Are we clear?
Not exactly. The Order's gonna have search parties combing through these woods. I stashed us a ride out, though. Let's meet up ahead.
Return now, Vault Hunter, or this island will become your grave. I mean, it still will, but sooner than planned.
Might be a tight squeeze through there. You'll have to crouch.
Archie, if the timekeeper can take me over with this bolt, shouldn't I just pull it out? I don't like being watched.
Whoa, no. That thing is in there, hitched to your nervous system. When people try to rip their bolt out, it turns them crazy. Or just straight up kills them.
So why bother running? It's just a matter of time.
Not with Echo 4 on our side. He's jamming my bolt. And if we can get you somewhere safe while the timekeeper's distracted, we'll jam yours too.